Now we will see XOR instruction from instruction set of 8086. XOR is a logical operation and its syntax is XOR destination operand comma source operand. So on application of this instruction, source and destination operands are going to be XORed by following this XOR truth table. Carry flag and overflow flags get set to 0 on execution of this instruction because there is no any chance of generation of carry, and the length of result is always same as that of the length of the source and destination operand. Then depending upon the status of result, the parity flag, sign flag, zero flags are going to be updated. Let us see the example. 08 is moved to the L register with this move instruction. 8C is transferred to the BL register with this move instruction. XOR L comma BL with this AL and BL contents are going to be XORed, which will follow this XOR truth table, which says that for unequal combination of operands it results in 1, for 0 1 1 0 it results in 1, for the equal combination of operands it results in 0. So for 0 0 1 1 it results in 0. So for 0 0, this is the binary representation of these respective operands. So by following this truth table we get 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. So the hexadecimal equivalent of this binary is going to be stored with this AL register. Now MSB indicates the sign, so which get copied to the sign flag. This is containing two number of ones which is even in nature. So parity flag gets set to 1. The result is non-zero, so 0 flag is set to 0. Next logical instruction is the test, whose syntax is test destination operand comma source operand. Now opcode itself implies that it is used for testing purpose. It applies AND logical operation on the operands, and for that it follows the AND truth table, but nowhere this result is going to be stored. Only the flags are updated and these are checked for testing purpose. Then on execution of these instructions, it is expected that carry flag and overflow flag are set to 0. Then as per the result, this parity flag, sign flag and 0 flags are going to be updated. So with this example, 08 is transferred to the AL register, 8C is transferred to the BL register. Test AL comma BL, with this the AL and BL, these operands are going to be ANDed by following AND truth table. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Then as this result has MSB 0, so sign flag is expected to be 0. As it is containing one number of 1, parity flag is expected to be 0, and this result is non-zero, so 0 flag is expected to be set to 0. So this is how this test logical operation get carried out.